Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Deco E4 with the Deco S7 and I'm going to share with you some important things that you need to know about both. So the Tepelin Deco S7 is generally better option comparing to Deco E4 due to these things. So first thing first, when you can look here, the parameters. The Wi-Fi speed is just better for Deco S7 comparing to Deco E4. So here you're gonna have Wi-Fi speeds 5 GHz, 877.67, then you're gonna have 1300. 2.4 GHz, you're gonna have 600. Here you're gonna have it 300. So this is like a huge important thing. Then you're gonna have another thing is the Deco S7 got 3 internal antennas comparing to Deco A4 got only 2 antennas internal. So this is another really important thing. Also, the Ethernet ports, you're gonna have 3 gigabit Ethernet ports per unit, which offer fast wired connections. Comparing to Deco's E4, you're gonna have only like what was it? Like maybe like 2 megabits ports. So Ethernet cable, the antennas, the Wi-Fi speed is just better. Then yes, the Wi-Fi range can cover larger areas. So E4 can cover larger areas like 3-4 bedroom houses, 2,800 square foot. But Deco A7 can only 1 to 2 bedroom houses. So if you need a higher speed, more robust Ethernet connectivity, go with Deco E7. But if your priority is like really wide coverage that you want to cover a lot of space, go with the Deco E4. So have a great day and goodbye.